Alright, so guys, what we are doing today is we are just going to be adding some little touches onto the Fiesta, as you can already tell by the title. So yeah, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be painting the brake calipers on the car. They originally came red from the factory, but for some reason, as I get close to it with the jet wash, I haven't even got a powerful jet wash, but it blasts the paint off for some reason, even though it came from the factory. So I don't know why it's doing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by painting the calipers, and we'll get right into it right now. Alright guys, so many of you already know how to take a wheel off, but I'm just gonna do step-by-step sort of thing, just to make the video have a little bit more structure, I guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up the lug nuts, and then I'm going to lift the car up and we'll get the wheels off. Alright guys, I've now taken the wheels off and I'm going to get started on the back caliper first. What you want to do is you want to, well, you can use wire wool, or you can use one of these, I forget what they're called, bristled toothbrushes is what I like to call them. I wouldn't like to brush my teeth with that though. But yeah, you just want to clean the surface up as much as you can. I've brought some wheel cleaning solution out with me, but I don't know if I'm going to use it because I don't really want to wet the surface, because then it's going to be a pain in the ass to dry. So yeah, what you want to do is you want to clean the surface up as much as possible, and then I'll get back to you after we've done that. Alright guys, so now once you've prepped the surface, you've got it all cleaned up. It may not look clean right now, but the patches that you can see that aren't red are where the paint has come off, and around the back here is obviously just where it's worn right down to the metal, bare metal basically, and all these are little paint chips where it's chipped off the red paint. So yeah, once you've prepped and cleaned everything, you want to get yourself some, I should have mentioned this at the beginning, you are obviously going to need paint to paint the calipers. What I've got is Hammerite. It's just basically direct to rust, so it's not going to rust. It's hopefully not going to chip off. I've been told that this is like the perfect paint to use for calipers and things like that. Hopefully it's not going to chip off. It's not going to fade. It's not going to, like I said, it's not going to rust. I think what litre is this? This is 250 milliliter tub. It's not very big. Cost £8. I think it should be enough to go around all four. I think it's going to be plenty enough to go around all four calipers and still have some left. So what I'll do is I'll open this somehow. I forgot to see if I can open it with that. No, that ain't going to work. Gonna have to get a screwdriver and open this, mix it up, and then we'll get to painting. Alright guys, we've got a close-up of the caliper right now. I've got the paint here. I've found a little paintbrush that's been sat in my shed for so long that it's full of dust. But I've cleaned it out mostly, so yeah, what we'll do is we'll get to painting now. Alright guys, we're moving on to the front caliper now, and what I have found out from doing that back caliper, this is the sort of paint where it looks like it goes on really thin, and then what it does is it levels itself out on the surface. So I don't know if you can tell by the last little clip that I got of the back caliper after I painted it. It came off looking really smooth, and it filled in, like it fills in the gaps by itself sort of thing. So don't be afraid to paste the paint on, because that's what I was doing at first, and I was just dabbing it here and there, and it didn't seem to do anything. So yeah, that's one thing I did figure out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do the exact same process. I'm going to move that paint out of the way so it doesn't get all the dirt in it. We're just going to do the exact same process on this caliper, and then I'm not going to film the other side because it's going to be the exact same process, and I'm pretty sure that will get a little bit boring by then. Alright guys, I'm just going to quickly show you a quick before and after, because I finished up one side and I went to do the other side and I was like, well, I didn't get a before and after really. So I'm going to quickly show you what the other side looks like and how crap they were before. Now you will have to forgive me for how dirty my wheels are, but as you can see, paint's all chipped off of them. They're filthy and black like this. This isn't even dirt, most of this is where the paint is chipped off. And yeah, looking horrible. I've already got the back wheel off, and this is obviously how they look before. So yeah, not looking very good. Alright guys, so we are back outside the car in the freezing cold. Luckily I've got the hairdryer this time. So yeah, I've already prepped and cleaned the surface, and what we're gonna do is heat up and stick down the Gap Kings sticker. Hopefully I can get it in the correct position. Alright guys, we're back in the car again. I think that's it for the final touches today. I know we only got a couple of stickers on and we did the brakes. It's a short little video, but obviously doing the brakes took a little bit longer than I expected, and I didn't expect it to get this cold really. It's freaking freezing. But yeah, we got the two little stickers on. Ash, sorry I didn't get your sticker on. I haven't yet decided where I want to put it yet, because I don't know if it's going to go on the banner, because I want the banner, I keep saying banner, the sun strip. I want everything on the sun strip to be gold, everything on it to be in gold writing. So I might just end up sticking your sticker where I'm going to have like a white theme going somewhere on the car. It's the same with this Ford Fever sticker. I don't know if I want to stick that on the back yet, because this is an oil slick sticker. So I don't know where is going to look best. I think it's just going to be a matter of deciding where it's going to look best and then putting it there, hopefully. But I decided it wasn't going to look, neither of them stickers were going to look good on my sun strip. So like I said, I want everything to be gold on the sun strip, because it just sort of goes with the red and gold theme. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully I will have the video for the Gap Kings B70MY meet in Harlow edited as well, and I'll have that up soon. I don't know which one's going to go up. I don't know which video is going to go up first actually, either the Gap Kings meet or this one. I don't know. Depends which one I get edited first. But yeah, either way, there's two videos going up pretty soon. And yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you check the links in the description. Subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 400 followers. Subscribers, not followers. We're still almost at 2,000 followers on Twitch. If you want to head over there. I've been streaming a little bit more lately. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you did enjoy, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.